Hello, World History Cardinals, and happy Black History Day. This is day 4, and so I'm going to take you to our homepage. On the homepage for day 4, I have given you some information about Black migration and immigration. So, with that being said, I've put a few prolific explorers on the map so that you can look them up and Google search them for your own research, as it says above. It says you've stressed an emphasis on knowing more, so I'm always advising you to document these information in your notes for your own sake. The first person I have is Matthew A. Henson, George Gibbs Jr., Kai Lightner, Charles Young, James Beckworth, and Jean-Baptiste Pontoussaint. So Jean Baptiste founded Chicago. Matthew Henson was one of the first explorers to climb Mount Everest. James Beckworth helped with the pioneering part, like going out towards the west. I mean, if you get the chance, read more about these people. And then what's so cool, click the video link. I don't know how many of you are familiar with this group of women, but they have I don't know these ladies. This is my first time seeing it. Um, Black migrations, black immigrants, and apparently, I guess the name of the voice of this group is called Say It Loud. But look, they even did one on should we keep eating soul food. They're talking about DNA ancestry test. She isn't African enough. There's another one that's talking about black people made that and black sounding names and the history behind the names. So you really should get into this group. Say it loud. I kind of wish I was doing this, to be quite honest, but look at all this. Should you go to an HBCU? Why Richard Pryor is still funny? What Missy Elliott did for Afrofuturism? You know, I'm gonna keep going because they are actually teaching you about Black history in a way that's going to be more appealing to you young folks because Miss Walden got old. I get it. I get it. But I just think it's so cool. So if you get the chance, either this evening on February 3rd or on tomorrow, February 4th, I hope that you will check out this video and just listen to all the wonderful explanations they have on how we as African people got to this country. It is quite awesome. So that's what I wanted to present to you today for Black History Month. Again, this is day 4. Day 1 and 2, we talked about Black scientists and inventors. Um, Day 2, I was a little bit out, and most of y'all already know why I was out. But this is awesome. It's awesome to start your day 3 and your day 4 talking about Black migration and Black immigration. Please click the link and do research on these names just so you'll know who they are for your own namesake. Black History Month is history every day, 24/7. It's what we do. Say it loud. I'm black and I'm proud. Bye, guys.